Congratulations on receiving your complimentary vacation from one of our partner companies. RedeemVacations.com is the largest travel incentives company in the world, with over 500,000 redeemed vacations to date. We work with many of the largest and most respected hotel chains around the globe to make sure you have an enjoyable and comfortable vacation. This quick video will show you how easy it is to activate and use your complimentary vacation. To activate your complimentary vacation, you'll simply click the Activate Now button on this page and pay the nightly hotel taxes and fees. You do not need to have travel dates in mind now. Once you activate, you'll have 18 months to use your vacation. Once you've decided on your travel dates, you'll simply click the link in the email you received, or go to RedeemVacations.com to retrieve your complimentary vacation details. You'll then just select your dates, pull up a list of all available hotels, choose your hotel and your desired room type, and that's it. You'll receive an instant email with your confirmation and you're on your way to enjoy your amazing complimentary vacation. When you activate your vacation with us, we'll also make a donation to St. Jude Children's Hospital to help kids fight cancer and ensure that families never receive a bill for their treatment. Congratulations again and enjoy your complimentary vacation.